What is up, guys? The name is Kendrick. Today we're going to be talking about fitness for beginners. For those who not for sure what to do in the gym, first timers, those are just beginning out. So this video is just to help the beginners figure out what type of workouts you can do to help boost that muscle, to help get in shape, or to get that physique that you're looking for. So in this video, I'll be giving you a few workouts that I've done over the course of the 10 months that I've been training for. For me, I've noticed that supersets are the biggest thing for me that actually help my muscle growth. So in this video, you're gonna be seeing me doing supersets, as in, first video is chest day. You will be seeing me doing chest. You also be seeing me doing triceps. So we can kind of hit both at the same time. Because if you think about it, if you doing like a bench press, you also be not only using your chest, you also be using your triceps as well. So we would like to try to build that at the same time. Try to get both of them as fatigued as we can. So the next time you do your chest workout, you'll feel that big strength that you have now that you didn't previously have. So furthermore, if you do have any questions, feel free to comment below, ask any type of questions, and yeah, let's begin.